Step 3. If you are servicing an Eclipse, you will need to clean and disinfect the pump using the following basic instructions. Mix a 16-ounce solution using 1 ounce of bleach to 15 ounces of water, or 4 ounces of white vinegar to 12 ounces of water. Press the drain button to empty the pump reservoir. Once the pump cycle completes, disconnect the dehumidifier from its power source. Slowly pour the solution into the drain tray at the base of the coils. Allow the solution to soak for a minimum of 15 minutes. Reconnect the dehumidifier to the power source. Slowly pour clean water into the drain tray at the base of the coils until the pump cycles at least twice. This will remove the cleaning solution and help to flush the drain line. You can use the same solution to clean out the gravity drain of the Galaxy by slowly pouring it into the drain tray at the base of the coils, then flush it out with clean water. Place the dehumidifier back into the on position, then observe for proper operation.
Thank you for watching, and see you